talk about Filipino words that have a different meaning in Malagasy. So some sounds almost the same or some are written differently, but there are similar words that like that in Madagascar, but it has a totally different meaning. So let's get started. So our first word is sakay. So sakay is a Filipino word that means sakay means ride. But in Malagasy, the meaning of sakay is chili. What is our second word?
Manok.
Manok. Yeah. Manok is chicken in Filipino. In Filipino. But in Malagasy, manok is what is it, Samantha? It is yawning. Manok. Manok in Malagasy is yawning. So this Tara. Tara? Is it Tara or Tara? The pronunciation. Tara.
I don't know.
Tara. So it means let's go. But yeah, achigo. But in Malagasy, Tara means like lay. What is the next word?
Halika.
Alika. So in Filipino is like come here. That's the meaning. Come here. So in Malagasy, alika means, what is alika means in Malagasy? Can you say it? Dog. Alika means in Malagasy, dog. So if you go to Madagascar, don't call someone alika because it's like you are saying that person is a dog. So
Instead of come.
yeah, instead of come here. And then next word is
Makati.
Makati. So Makati is a name of place here in the Philippines, but in Madagascar, Makati means like coming here. Makati. Our next word is
Luto.
luto. It's not really the same, but almost sound like the same. Luto is like cooking here in the Philippines, but in Madagascar, luto is like dirt. Luto. It's luto, but almost the same, not really the same. And then, the next word is
Po.
po. Here in the Philippines, if you say po means you are being polite. Yes. You give respect to someone when you add po in the sentence here in the Philippines. But in Madagascar, po means something totally different. So po means this in Madagascar. So it's something totally different. So and then next is
Tatay.
tatay or tay. So tatay or tay means what in Philippines?
Tatay is like father.
Father or tay. It means father here in the Philippines. But in Madagascar,
Tay. Dad.
in Madagascar, the meaning is this. I'm not sure it, but it's Thai, the meaning, the pronunciation. And then, so don't say Thai or Tatay in Madagascar if you go to Madagascar. Like, I mean, if you go to public place and you are like going to call your father in the Philippines and hello Tatay, or hello Tay, like, it's like, I don't know, someone may think that you are saying bad word in a public place. So it's just information only, but I think it's part of life. Wherever we go, there are always different words that have different meaning in every country. So it's just a sharing about cultures and experiences. So I hope you like our video today
Don't forget to like
and share
subscribe.
and also share. So thank you guys. Hope to see you again next time for another videos. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye guys.
Bye, guys.
Bisous, bisous. Bisous. Mwah. Say bisous. Bisous. Bye.